Let's get started on our activity. Number 1, animal homes. Where does this goldfish live? Have you guessed it yet? There's the answer, in a fishbowl. Number 2. Okay, let's see. Where does the doggy live? Have you guessed it yet? Let's see if you were right. Did you guess it right? Okay, now let's do number 3. The cow. Where does the cow live? Let's see if you were right. In the barn. Great job. Okay, last one. The bird. In the web or the nest? Well, let's see if you were right. Did you say the nest? I know you did. Great job, everybody.